Before you buy NordVPN, watch this. I'm breaking down the real pros, the hidden cons, and whether it's actually worth your money. No hype, no fluff. Let's get straight into it. 1. Streaming and torrenting performance. NordVPN is one of the best VPNs for unblocking content. By switching your IP address, you instantly unlock hidden shows and movies on Netflix, Apple TV, Amazon Prime, Hulu, and tons of other platforms. And the best part? No buffering. NordVPN's custom protocol, NordLynx, is one of the fastest on the market, which means lag-free binge watching, even in 4K. They also have over 8,880 plus servers across 178 plus countries, so you always have options. If you're into torrenting, NordVPN offers special P2P servers designed specifically for fast and secure downloads. They encrypt your data while keeping speeds smooth. 2. Speed test results. Now let's talk about speed, because a VPN is useless if it slows your internet to a crawl. I ran multiple speed tests across different locations using NordVPN, and the results were honestly impressive. Here's what I got. Los Angeles, Geolinks, around 450 megabits per second. Dallas, Cluviter Low LT, about 507 megabits per second. New York, Pilot Fiber, peaked at 568 megabits per second. London, Cluviter LTT, roughly 405 megabits per second. These are excellent numbers for a VPN. Even on long-distance servers like London, the speed drop was minimal. Browsing felt instant. YouTube videos loaded immediately, and large downloads didn't choke at all. This is mainly because of NordLynx, NordVPN's custom protocol based on WireGuard. It's secure and insanely fast. 3. Security and privacy. Speed is great, but security is NordVPN's biggest strength. First, let's talk about threat protection. This feature blocks malware, annoying ads, trackers, dangerous websites. Next is the kill switch. If your VPN connection drops for even a second, kill switch instantly cuts off your internet. This prevents your real IP address from leaking, especially important when torrenting or using public Wi-Fi. Then we have split tunneling. This lets you choose which apps use the VPN and which ones don't. For example, browser. VPN will be on. It's super useful and very easy to set up. Another underrated feature is dark web monitoring. NordVPN constantly scans dark web databases. If your email or password ever gets leaked, you get an instant alert so you can secure your accounts. NordVPN follows a strict no-logs policy. They don't track, store, or sell your online activity. 4. Device compatibility and app experience. NordVPN works on almost everything. You can use it on Windows and macOS, Android and iOS, Linux, smart TVs, browsers, routers, gaming consoles. One subscription supports up to 10 devices at the same time, which is more than enough for most people. Now let's talk about the app UI. Both desktop and mobile apps are clean, beginner-friendly, fast to navigate. You get a world map interface where you can connect with one click. Even if you've never used a VPN before, NordVPN feels simple and intuitive. 5. Gaming performance. A lot of people ask, is NordVPN good for gaming? So I tested it while playing Dota 2. Here's the result. No noticeable lag, stable ping, no random disconnects. As long as you connect to a nearby server, gaming performance stays smooth. It's not designed to boost ping, but it doesn't ruin your gameplay either, which is exactly what you want from a VPN. 6. Pricing and refund policy. NordVPN is the most affordable VPN out there. Basically, they offer 3 plans: Basic, Plus, and Complete. Among these, I suggest the Plus plan is best as it covers all features. The good news is, all plans come with a 30-day money-back guarantee. Finally, if you want fast speeds, strong privacy, excellent streaming support, solid security features, reliable performance for daily use and gaming, then NordVPN is the best. For more VPN reviews, subscribe to Tech Simplify.